Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Commodore Gamer once again with another video. This time I'll bring you a game called Wizard of War on the Commodore 64. It's a conversion from an old arcade game that came out in 1980, and this Commodore 64 version came out in 1983. So I'm very new to this game, so I'm just gonna check it out and see if I can get anywhere. It's a maze kind of dungeon game. So I'm control this warrior here, and I have to fight these creatures here. And there is a radar down in the center as well. Shows me the location of the enemies. So it's a single screen game. It changes when I finish off all the enemy. So now it shows up different animals here. Animals or creatures, whatever they are. Some devilish enemies. So my point is to the left, and this game is also for 2 players simultaneously. But it's only me here, so... But it works fine actually in 2-player mode. It seems to be quite achievable game. Here on the get-go, that is. It will probably be very difficult later on. Oh shit. I'm trying to get familiar with the controls here, but it's pretty straightforward actually. But I play this with my Xbox One controller. Oh shit. Oh shit, now they're shooting at me as well. Ay caramba. He turned there. Ay caramba. Alright so far. Get up here. There you go. Shit, look at the speed of it. Ooh, he goes a warlurk. It's kind of a boss. I think he gives me 1000 points. Haha, gotcha. Double score dungeon now. Cool. Thank you for that. It was just because I killed that enemy there, the warlock or whatever. So now every enemy is worth double, I think, here. Come here. Sneaky bastards, get here. Haha. There you go. Ah, did he shoot me? So this is my last life, I think. So now there are quickie here. Haha. Oh, here comes the warlock again. Ay caramba, shit. Get here. No, he escaped. Or she, or whatever it is. Ah, did I have one more life for that? Bonus player. Yes, thank you for that. Okay. Should try to be a little bit strategic here. Hehehe. shit. It's a little... It can be kind of difficult to turn around sometimes, actually. Haha. Come on. Oh shit. Get up here. Oh shit. Yeah, it's a little bit on the slow side in the turns, actually. Haha. Haha. Here comes the warlock again. 1000 points for Puppy. There you go. Oh, double score dungeon again. Cool. So if I finish this level, perhaps I will have another life again. Aj, 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 aj. Game over. Yeah. A little bit sloppy of me there, but it is a little bit tough to turn around quick actually, but it's a cool game. I'm liking it. I will say I will give it a 6 out of 10 for this one. It's a cool game to kill off 10-20 minutes or something. Pretty achievable actually, so on the get-go. So yeah, it's worth checking out. I recommend it. So there you go. That was Wizard of War on the Commodore 64 from 1983. So thank you for watching everyone, and have a good one. Goodbye.